So yeah, this one is a little interesting. So you have the gold pins on both sides. You have the one IC chip, but it looks like this side here is little solder points. You see, you have the solder on the back, which is your typical solder, and then here I guess they plated them with gold. I can't get a good shot because of the light. There you go, that might be a little better. Yes, so you see here, they're gold. There's also gold right here. So there's quite a bit of gold on these guys. I'd love to be able to process these, but I do this out of my house and don't have a super large amount of space to do stuff like that. So let's open up Madden 1995. I know a lot of you would say, isn't it worth, maybe it's worth more if you sell them as is, but it wouldn't be as fun if I sold them. I probably wouldn't make much money either off of them, maybe at most $5 if I was lucky. So this one has a bunch of IC chips again, the gold pins, nothing really on the back. So we have Wimbledon here. Let's see what's in a Wimbledon. This one is similar to the World Series 96, but doesn't have any gold here like the other one did. If you look at this one, there's gold over here, gold over here, gold over there. This one doesn't have that. So NFL 95. Let's see what's in that one. This one's a bigger chip. Okay, let's see. So again, you got the gold pins and the IC chips. Lots of IC chips, and I'm sure these have a ton of gold in them compared to more recent ones. And I'm sure at least hopefully someone will comment that has more experience with these type of IC chips. Maybe they could tell us a little more about them. So, prime time football.